Look, my mom is sitting right there. Shit. Wait, what is that? Doesn't that look like a thundercloud? Probably it is not, since we rarely get tornado here where I am right now. I basically have never seen this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Looks like someone's briefly turning off a shower and then turning it back on. And once again, if the audio cuts off, then I'm getting a warning from my lightning tracker app. I don't want to prank my mom and honk the horn, but look, our neighbors have their door open, so they might get pissed. Never mind. Look at this. Look at this shit. Now it's kind of calmed down. I'm gonna open up why I like it.